Alright guys, Mom, do you want to tell everyone where we are right now?
We are at Rave Adventure, which is kind of like a rainforest vibe to it, and they have different activities you can do. However, most of them are not running today because it's going to be bad weather. So here we are, free park. There's a butterfly conservatory. There's I don't know, a little flower maze. There's not a lot here, but we're here with our family, and it's all about family bonding. So here we go.
Here we go. And right now we're just gonna take some photos, a little mini photo shoot while the kids are at the park.
Because it's beautiful. Why not?
Guys, it's my new friend.
Yo, be careful. You're gonna get bit.
Hi. Shh. It's purring. Want to say hi? Want to say hi? No, it's saying goodbye. Okay, bye. Hey guys, sorry for the quick intermission. This is me from the future, and I'm currently editing this like a long time after my trip. It's been a while. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna do a little bit of context before this next part of the vlog. So during our lunch, we were packing up and getting ready to go, and my mom looks over and sees a group of girls taking a photo of me or filming me, I don't know. But their phones were out, and they were like aiming at my direction. It was kind of clear they were like getting me in the frame. And so I was like, what's happening? And my mom's like, I think they're taking videos of you. And I'm like, I don't know. And then my mom, being the mom manager for me, was like, let's go introduce yourself. And I was like, okay. So we started walking closer, and they start getting more like giddy, and like they started like laughing and stuff. And so then after a while, like I introduced myself. I said, you know, I'm Titus, from Canada. I said that I'm an actor, model, content creator. So this next part of the vlog is gonna be my interaction with them. I think it's funny. I think you guys will find it funny too.
Picture.
Smile, smile.
I'll take it. Take him.
Yeah, take a picture.
Okay. One more time. Okay.
All right, hi guys, Future Titus is back. Yeah, so that didn't happen once, it happened twice. So I was just taking photos with them. Other people around us realized that I might be someone. Spoiler alert, I'm not. But I was drawing attention when I was taking photos with everybody. So then in this next part of the vlog will be another group of girls that wanted to take a photo with me.
No, don't touch.
Ice cream, please. Hello po. Ice cream. Ano gusto mo bibili na po? Normal lang. O, say thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Wait, try this. Eat it, it's good. Eat it.
You like it? I don't know.
It's a crab, you like it?
Yeah? I like crabs.
Put it all in your mouth, all of it, like legs too.
Ivy, guess what it is?
It's a crab leg. You like crabs?
Yeah.
Here, try this one.
Ooh.
Try it.
Watch you ruin it. Wait, can I see
Put the whole thing in your mouth. All of it.
That's
That's a chicken. That's a chicken intestine. Oh, you like it?
loves it.
Dump more? You like the crab?
Yeah.
The crab is good, huh?
Are you recording them?
Look at it. It's an angel, a snowman.
I'll try.
She's tired. She's so tired.
Are you okay?
I got this.
What's your